Hello everybody. Guess what day it is? It's my dad's birthday. Yeah. And one of the things we're gonna do to celebrate is go to this big car show, because me and him like cars and the Pixar movie cars. But I think I like the Pixar movie cars more than actual cars. But he came out, where am I going with this? He was born many years before that, before it came out, so, well, I was only like 3 years apart from it. But we're gonna see what cool cars we can find and stuff. Maybe we'll even see motorcycles. Like this one over here. I don't know if you saw it. It's there. So, Dad, it's your birthday?
My birthday, yeah.
Yeah. How old are you turning? 54. Congratulations. I got these because there might be some loud engine revving. So we'll see what cool cars we can find. Got this one for sale. And seems like a good deal. This has got to come from Russia, or something like that, because I've never seen one of these before. Or maybe they're like some obscure car company I never heard of that died out years ago. I don't know.
Hey, Tom. So this whole, like, all these blocks are cars.
Yeah.
And we got to come back this way because we got to get into our car.
Yeah.
So let's kind of stay on one side and see all the cars, and then we'll come back this side. All right?
Okay.
So we'll stay on that side.
Hey, guess what? I found out in Driver's Ed that these are illegal. But here is a car that is half boat. Oh, we see a lot of these muscle cars here. That's a lot. Amphibious. Okay. Well, I gotta follow the rest of my family, so I just heard some loud revving, and I'm like, oh dang, lots bigger than back then. These are my favorite tank cars. SRT cars.
It's a Dodge Challenger, Tom.
I know. I mean, I would be the one to know that. I can see this interior. Wow. Oh, this must be some type of special edition Bumblebee. I think I spit all over it. Here's some over here. Hello.
Hi.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, I see you dimmed out the headlights back here. I mean, the taillights back here.
The race is sequential.
Cool. Where'd you get it?
The car?
Yeah.
Ziegler. Downers Cove.
Oh, cool.
Are you here with somebody?
Yeah, my family is, there's my mom right there.
Ask her to come on over.
Okay. Okay, hope nothing bad happens. Hope nothing bad happens.
Hi, Mom. Take this camera?
Sure.
Oh, snap, he's gonna take a picture.
Oh, Tommy, are you going to be able to sit in it?
Go
Tom.
ahead.
Oh, Tom.
Put your hands in it.
Here, let me hold this. You put your hands in the wheel. I'll take a picture.
Door open, door closed.
Door open or closed? Open, okay. Give me a...
Now, there are some cars that are like so cool and well, I don't know where I'm gonna go with this, but is a Nash right here. You don't see many of these cars these days because, well, they're not around anymore. What made these so special is that the seats couldn't turn into beds. I don't know if this is one of these, but either way, these are really cool. By the way, if you wanted a family car, this is back in the day. This is not one you would want because you'd have to stick your kids in there. But if you want a car for yourself, your girlfriend, or your buddy, yeah, this is one. Kind of looks like Mr. Incredible's car, the one he broke, and he picked up, and then he sees the kid, and he's like, and he puts it down, except there's no top on it. Oh, hey! Oh, yeah, these are really awesome. Oh my god. Look at back there. You could put like somebody in there, like somebody you don't like. I don't know what this is, but it could be. This is a Mirage. That's nice. Buick Century. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Oh, look, painted the engine. That's nice. Oh, another Corvette. This is nice. I've never seen these tires on it before. That's cool. Taller. Here's another one. Wow, man, you know, there's always so many Corvettes at these car shows. Oh yeah, that's nice. And it's probably because they're so cool and awesome. Now, what is this over here? Oldsmobile something. I didn't even see a lot of these. This is Buick Rivera. Wow, this is cool. Oh, look at all a lot of these. Oh, look, and there's another one over there. I don't know if this is a muscle car or not, but the point is, Buick made a lot of cool cars before today, because now Buick is kind of lame with their annoying song in their commercials. This is never cool. Well, that's nice. I don't know what this is, but it's cool. It's a 1990s Camaro. That's cool. And dang, that engine is just cramped in there. What we got over here? A tiny. Oh my god, this is an Opel. These are like from Australia. Wow. Oh, but it's from Buick, so it's American kind of. Oh look. If you lived in the 1990s like I did not, then you'd probably know what this is. A Plymouth Prowler. A Plymouth Prowler. It's like, it's a weird looking car. It kind of looks like a hot rod, except it's from the 90s, not the 30s, but it's kind of cool. It's really funky looking now, isn't it? Oh, this looks like maybe a lowrider over here. This is a Impala. Oh no, this is huge. This is like a big boat, except it's not. And we can't have all old cars here. We got a Mustang GT. It's probably gonna be loud, so I'm gonna here. Can you put these on my head? The owner is getting in it. He's gonna start up and probably leave. And there's actually two of the same thing. Over here. On the wheel. And, oh, there's a Hot Wheels of it over here. I like Hot Wheels. I don't know what that is, though. You can't forget about the cars from the 20s. That's nice, 1923. Oh, Model T, this is what Lizzie was in Cars. That's actually really cool. Oh, and hey, look, you got a die-cast replica of it, and then there's another one over there. It's my 95th birthday. Yo, come here. Look at this. It's my 95th birthday.
Oh wow, yeah.
By the way, this is the same. This car is the same age as Lizzie from Cars.
Yeah, I think that's why it says Lizzie on the license plate.
Wait, it does?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, right there. And right up here.
You put it back on video, right? Because I had it up.
Yes, I did. Now, these look so like old school, but they're not. They're from like when I was just a little baby. Cool. They're really big tires, though. Those flowers. Wow, you know, I'm gonna get one of these for my car. Cool stuff over here, like what's this? A Ford Focus with a fancy engine, and we got another one over here, a Ford Focus ST, and then there's one over here. It's a Mustang, it's all one. They're not as big, so you can see through though. And then we got it's Mater from Cars. Well, what he looked like back then, well, he was a bit lighter in the movie when it did show him as blue. But he looked something, Mater looked something like this back then. There's no backside, so your luggage might fall out.
Yeah.
So we got two cool ones over there. Oh my! Now this is an attention grabber right here. Like this has been through a lot.
If the fuel clogged in the gas tank,
There's like two tires.
I can blow in and clear the. And it turned out that wasn't a problem. Put a new
This is to get the chickens, it's farm use, and this is to get the chicks. It's a mini Peterbilt. Oh, almost got it. Probably just have to cling it right there. And yeah, there he goes. Oh, see? Proof right here. Ford Paul.
Hey, Mrs. Moore. Hey, Tommy.
Oh, hi.
This is my son's car.
Oh, no kidding!
That's your son's car? Is your son Paul Walker?
No, this is one of our patients. This
Hi.
is Mrs. Moore. This is Tommy.
Hi, this is Tommy.
Love this car, don't you?
Yeah, I actually saw the Fast and Furious
Yeah,
a few weeks ago for the first time.
He loves the Fast and Furious.
Nice
loves
sparkly paint. That's really nice. Is this from 1993? 94. 94. Okay, close enough. That's really cool. Yeah.
You guys do a lot of these shows?
There's one day because I do not cry because I was smiling. That's cool. Wow. I like the spoiler right here. Oh. Wow, you know, the Fast and the Furious really made this car popular.
Hi, how are
Sarah,
you?
you remember Sarah Leslie?
Where do I know you from?
From the orthodontist.
Adonis.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I don't recognize you anymore.
Yeah, without my hair on.
Hey, where'd you get this?
It's from California, but I bought it in Naperville back in 2013.
Now that's cool. When it was like 9 years old, and is this your car?
No, I'm John's buddy.
Okay, I thought so. And it's nice to meet you both.
I'm Brett. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Brett and John. This is cool. I hope I drive one of these someday.
He's love cars.
Excuse me. Oh, I thought the headlights would be foggy because it's like 20 years old, but it's not. And here is one of the best Japanese cars you'll ever see. the Acura NSX. Wow. Honda VTEC. You know what VTEC stands for? I don't know, but it's something really long. Oh, look at I like how long the back is. I mean, Acura has like one of these days, but it's not as good as the old one over here. This is really cool right here. This is where it's at right here. It's cool. Hey, if you ever wanted to drive in a Toyota Supra and the seats are full, just go in the back right here. You're probably not gonna fit, but whatever. This is like Ramon from Cars. Look at the back, it's like a different color. Or not!
I don't underride.
Okay, fine.
Tires are kind of low, a little worn out.
I hope so. First man that we have going on is Instagram. He takes their asphalt and their blanket.
gets inside. That is like really nice. Oh, this looks like all the functions and stuff. Wow. Oh look, we got one over here. Run away. here, I can see him just fine. Oh, look at the dog. And then we got Chick Hicks over here. Well, not really, kind of. It's 86, so close enough. So that's really cool. And then we got the Blue Lightning McQueen, the Dodge Viper. Wow, Dodge Vipers are really cool, dude. Let's look at that grill. There. Got this like right over here. That's really cool. Lexus makes cool cars. They've made cool cars. Hope you enjoyed seeing all these cool cars. And see all you guys later. Now it's goodbye.